Open the DePay app on the Shopify App Store. You will find the link in the video description. Then click Add App. Select the store for which you would like to accept Web3 payments. Then install the app by clicking Install App. For the onboarding, connect your wallet. Then sign the login within your wallet. Your wallet address will be added automatically. Now configure the tokens on the blockchains that you would like to receive as payments. Finally, you need to provide information of who runs the shop. If you are a registered company, select Registered Company. Otherwise, if you run the shop as a single individual, select Individual. Those information are required by Shopify for all payment apps. If you have any open questions in regards of what data to provide, you find a button in the bottom right to contact our support. After you've submitted the onboarding, DePay will not be active just yet. We need to verify your submitted data first, which sometimes can take a while, so please be patient. Once you are verified, we will immediately send you an email. Make sure you click the Start Now link in that email in order to activate DePay on Shopify. Once you follow the link, make sure you click Activate DePay. Now your customers can pay using DePay. After the checkout on Shopify, they will be redirected to DePay's payment gateway. Here they connect their wallet and pay with a token that they like to use as a means of payment. DePay makes sure that tokens are converted in what you have configured and want to receive as means of payment. After a successful payment, your customers will be forwarded to the checkout confirmation. If you should ever want to browse payments received with DePay, you can visit the DePay website and click Launch App. Log in with your wallet, navigate to Payments, and you will find all received payments that have been received with DePay. If you want to change the DePay configuration for your Shopify store, log in to your shop and click Settings. Now select Payments. Click Manage on the DePay card. Click Manage again within the DePay settings. Now you're back at the DePay configuration. Here you can change tokens and blockchains. Make sure to always save your changes, otherwise your changes will have no effect.